how to fix Stardew Valley crashing on Steam or keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on the game, go to properties, and then under installed files you want to click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish this process. Now once it's done, you want to click on the browse button to go to the installation directory. Now you want to right click on Stardew Valley exe and go to properties and then compatibility, and make sure to turn these options on, disable full screen optimizations, and run this program as admin. Click on apply and OK. Now you want to try to launch the game again from here to see if that solves the problem. Now if it still doesn't, you want to completely shut down Steam. So let's open the task manager and close Steam from there completely. So we want to search for Steam and then end all the processes related to Steam. You can also click on the taskbar below and exit Steam from there. So you can right click on Steam and click on exit, and it will shut down Steam. Now you can close the taskbar manager and verify that you have the latest GPU update. So for example, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app, and in the drivers section, make sure you have checked for the latest GeForce Game Ready driver and installed it from here. Now if you have that installed, you want to make sure to also have the redistributables installed. So if you don't have them, or if you don't know where to get them, you want to type redist in your browser like that, and then click on the first link and it will take you to Microsoft's website. Scroll down a little bit and you'll need to download both of these right here for the 86 and the 64. So click on both of them and download them individually and install them on your PC. And once they are completely installed, you want to launch Steam as administrator like this. Right click and run as admin. And once Steam loads up, you want to go to library, right click on the game, go to properties, and specify under launch options -dx11 like this. Now you want to click on the play button to launch the game, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.